And now we get this outro. Oh, but it's Himeno! Oh, them together too.
Uh-huh. Damn.
Wow.
Well, I feel like we're getting a taste of what this show is willing to do.
Mm-hmm. Like, this outro is like... I feel like... I really like that they did separate outros, you know, for each thing. Because this is, like, perfect.
Mm-hmm. You could, like, really pay off, like, the story. That looked like Zeke Yeager.
Wow.
Is that when she lost her eye?
The ghost.
And then we also saw Makima get shot up in here. Okay, here's that girl. Like their adventures that they had went on.
Oh, him!
At the grave.
At the grave! It's like we went from being disgusted to, like, sad.
Yeah. That's, like, I just was not ready when we sat down for this episode that we were going to get what we got.
And the cigarettes.
Episode was wild.
I really like that outro too.
Yeah, it was good. I like how what I said during like the outro, how they could actually really play on like the story of that particular episode and kind of show, you know, something, whether like, you know, this, it kind of seemed like, you know, the journey of Himeno and Aki, and then obviously seeing him at the end putting down like the flowers and cigarettes at her grave.